guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So I am with Cuddles again with her very cute outfit. So right now we have Barkbox right over here, and it is her first ever subscription box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Cuddles! So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this hat so that she can just move around and sniff around in the box. Okay, so this is her very first subscription box, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and let's see what she has for her first ever subscription box. Are you ready, Cuddles? Ooh, look at that! Oh, you have Thanksgiving stuffings. I thought you were gonna have a Christmas one. Okay, so this is, I ordered this box on the 1st of December, hoping that I'll get the Christmas box, but they still give me Thanksgiving box, which is, I'm very, very disappointed because I do not want their Thanksgiving box, because if I did, I would have gotten it earlier and not later during the month. So, but let's go ahead and still open it, and I'm gonna go email them and see what I can do. I'm sorry, Cuddles, I was hoping for the Christmas box. So, of course, right over here, for those of you who don't know what a Barkbox is, it is a subscription box for dogs. The first thing we have is, ooh, what is this, Cuddles? What is this? Ooh. Do you like that? Do you like that? No, that's your hat, silly. That's your hat. That is your hat. Yes, come on. So this is, I think this is apple pie. Oh, that is very cute. So this one is Crinkle. This one Crinkle. See? She's very excited. Do you like that, baby? Okay, alright. So, and the next one we have here, we have one more, Cuddles. What is that? What is that? She's very excited. I like how she's excited. And this one we have a Dunkin' stuffed turkey. So this is another toy that comes out like this. Oh, she tried to bite it. Okay, this is very cute. It has like a ball inside. It does not squeak, but yes, this is the toy. It's a turkey. I think it's a turkey. It's a duck stuffed turkey. Sorry, so it's a duck stuffed turkey. Alright, so that is what that looks like. And inside there's just a turkey inside a duck stuffed. She's going through her box already. So that's that. Ooh, do you love that toy, Cuddles? Do you like that toy? Alright, so we have that one, and this one is again apple pie. Apple pie. So this one Crinkles and this one Squeak. This two. Okay, so these are apple. Okay, so I was just very, very happy with them. So let's just get you another one if you like this one. So this one is, what is this? Boatload of gravy. Oh, that is so cool. So this one Crinkles and this one Squeaks. Woo! Alright, forgive her. She's very, very excited. So it has a gravy boat, and I guess this is the gravy. So this is very cute. Okay, and of course we're gonna move on to the food. Just excuse her, she's gonna be all over the place with the toy. So this one has wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. It is made in the USA. Barkbox treats are always made in the USA, and our meat is always raised and sourced in the USA too. We don't use weird fillers like wheat, soy, or corn in our Barkbox treats ever. So your pup can dig in, and the only thing you have to worry about is did I give enough belly rubs today? That is cute. Alright, so I have a problem with Cuddles' teeth. I try to keep her away from anything that is, you know, hard treats. This seems like it's okay, but, oh, made it fall already. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and see if she likes this one. But before that, let's go ahead and move on to the next treats that we have here. This one we have a Tinker chicken recipe. So it's a dog treat. And this is what I try to get away from, is this hard treat right here. Just because, like I said, she had her tooth fallen out. She's already 8 years old. She should not be having any tooth falling out at this age. And I'm quite worried. I don't know what happened. I checked her teeth. It's fine. But yeah, I did email them. First of all, when I got this product, when I purchased the product, the first thing I told them is that give me the Christmas one because I want the Christmas one. All right, I just want to make sure that I get the Christmas box, not the Thanksgiving box. And I said that please make sure that you don't put any hard treats in the box because my dogs do not want it. Please put anything that's soft. Which I think by far they did not listen to me because this is hard. And here is another triple stuffed treats, rabbit, chicken, and turkey. It says the same thing, but this one is turkey, duck, and chicken, and this one is rabbit, chicken, and turkey. She's just very busy with her toy right now. And she loves her toy. Like I said, I'm not gonna complain with the toys. I love the toys. So let me go ahead and open one of the treats and see if she eats them or not. But let's go ahead and find out. Okay, there we go. Oopsie, I have to open it more. Okay. So, oopsie, you made it fall. Hey, look. Hey, look. So, oh, it's so cute. It has a turkey shape. Do you like this one? Let's see if she's gonna eat it. Do you like it? Here you go. She's a very picky eater, so we don't know if she's gonna eat it. She eats it. Good girl. Do you love it? So it's like turkey-shaped treats. It does smell good though. It smells like beef jerky. So, okay, let's see if you can show everyone a good treat. Come on, Cuddles, move here. Okay, Cuddles. Cuddles, look here. Sit. Good girl. Shake. Good girl. Other paw. Good girl. Other paw. Other paw. Good girl. Other paw. Good girl. Lie down. Cuddles. Bang. Bang. There you go. Isn't that such a good treat? Huh? Okay. So I have no problem with the treats. If she's liking it, I'm good. I just didn't want her teeth falling out. But this one, I don't think I'm going to give it to her. So overall, I do love how cute the toys are. I just hope that they improve their customer service since I did specifically told them that I wanted a Christmas one. That is why I subscribed end of the month. I believe I subscribed either 1st of December or last day of November. But still, they gave me the November Thanksgiving box. Obviously they want to get rid of it because Thanksgiving is not here anymore, so that's actually a bad side about their company, is that they don't really improve their customer service. And I remember when I was online, I was having so much hard time connecting to a customer service on their website, and they reply so slow, which is kind of weird. But yeah, overall, I like the product, I like the food, I like the toys. I just wish they would have listened more, because knowing that we got the Thanksgiving box, even though now it's almost Christmas, it doesn't make sense. And I'm really, really furious about that. But if Cuddles enjoy it, what the heck, right? And like I said earlier, is that they still gave me hard treat when I specifically told them that do not give me hard treat. And they go on their website by saying the reason why I go for their subscription box is because you can actually talk to their customer service and change any of the treats that you want, or like they make sure that the treats and the toys that your dog gets actually is something that your dog would love. And that's the reason why I went to them. It's just because I wanted to tell them that, hey, keep the treats to a soft treat and don't give me like a hard chew bone or anything like that. But they still did. So again, you know, I'm not gonna open it just because I'm gonna contact them. She does really love that chicken, turkey, duck, whatever that is. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!